Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Let's see what we have. Spring, spring, spring. Look at these gorgeous colors. A floral banner. These awesome baskets matching the gray, the blue, and the green. These napkins, so you see kind of like a floral, like half fan, great for decoupage items, the colors. I love this purple and white and the flowers and butterflies. Awesome, wonderful. And these were these placemats. They had two different designs. One with the butterflies and the other one is kind of like a huge flower. Awesome. And only seen silver. I've seen other people had different colors on their videos, but my Dollar Tree only had the silver ones. Trailers. Cool. We have more spring. Can you believe it? We have these pot holders, Easter wishes, and this gorgeous kind of green, mint green color. And then we have ones with Easter eggs. Awesome. Oven mittens matching. Wow. Great set and colors. Wow. Go out and buy them. Then we've seen these awesome chalk. You know, they always bring out chalk, especially in the springtime. Outdoors, we have the different colors of the shape of a Easter egg or egg, I guess in general. Kind of all the same colors. Kind of the blue and the purple and pink and yellow. And then this one's a little different. It is cars. Can you believe it? See, these are great items to put in, like if you create your kids a Easter egg basket. Awesome gift idea to go inside it. I know this is just a random item. It's a plastic clipboard by Jot. Look at the beautiful colors. Very springish colors. So if you need a clipboard and you prefer the plastic one, they have one available for you to try to find. Disney Princess. This one is moisturizing lip gloss. Ooh. Live for Now. High Shine Ultra Hydrating. And the other one is Shimmer Lip Gloss. So look at the colors. Gorgeous color. Okay, Disney Princess. It's the infamous Prolux Matte Foundation in several different colors. I seen vanilla, ivory, shell, sand, natural, linen, and honey. I believe there was a few more, but these are the ones that were closest to me as far as matching my skin tone. It does not match. I guess I have a little bit more melon in my skin, and it doesn't match any of these foundations. But for other people, they're perfect. So grab them. These are the iridescent nail polishes. Look at all these gorgeous colors. That brown's kind of like a copper brown, and this kind of neon green. Ooh, see? I think this is the color we already seen, but look at this orange. And it's kind of like a yellow, kind of a mustard looking color. Let's see all these different ones for you to choose from. Awesome find. Underwear. Dollar Tree has underwear for women this time. Usually they have the men's. Now they have the women's boy shorts. I seen like medium and large. I seen a few extra large, But I do want to let you know they are 100% polyester. So polyester is not your thing as far as underwear, not for you, but hey, if you don't mind, these are Sock Path socks. Makes you think of a psychopath, but it's not. And they have these are low cut with stay up heel tab, sizes 6 to 12. And they're a 2-pack, and they have a lot of different colors. They have this tan, brown, blue, green, pink, kind of like a lavender, black, gray, a light tan. So there are so many different colors you can choose from, especially if you're one with those girls that wears a lot of tennis shoes and you need something to protect for the heel. Awesome find, right? Are you gonna grab a pair? I grabbed a few. Wow, these are name brand Guru Nadia Basics is a whitening gel pen. Convenient whitening, works quickly, on the go use, and it has up to 20 uses. Also, from the first application, your path to pearly white starts now. This is by Ideal Kitchen. It's a 3-in-1 spoon tong. Make cooking quick and easy and comfortable. Let's see. PBA free, and it came in 3 different shades of green. Paper cups. There's 30 in a pack, and these small ones, like for your children. I tried to stand up. They had like Minnie Mouse. They have Frozen, Mickey Mouse, the Disney princesses. So it had like at least 4 or 5 different pictures on the cup. So whatever your children like, hopefully you can find one too. This is my first time seeing the larger pre-cut parchment paper. These are 10.7 by 13.6. They usually have the ones like half the size. So if you need some a little bit bigger, they have it for you. Ooh, pet odor eliminating air freshener. 100% natural propellant. 2 times odor eliminating power. This is by Homeline Scents, and it is 8.8 ounces. So if you are a pet owner, give it a try and let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. Most places always tend to have the wood birdhouses, but Dollar Tree has a metal birdhouse. It's $5. This one is in a shape of a beehive. Awesome. It is so cute, so adorable. So if you want a birdhouse, this give you a different option. And then they also have kind of, what is this? A water pail or whatever it's called. I'm not quite sure. And another option, so you can do the 2 different types of metal birdhouses. And then finally, we have these floral bouquet, and I believe there are $5. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification. I am so happy and so blessed that I've reached over 1,000 subscribers. I could not do it without you. Now I'm just trying to pump up my hours. So just help me along. Keep moving. Tell all your friends and family. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.